right. Yep, it's an unboxing. Alright guys, so you saw the box. I'm in the car right now inside my garage because it is flipping cold outside. My area got hit with a weather storm, and so here we are. Can't really do the install right now, but I'm gonna give you guys an unboxing. So I got my package from newprovisionsracing.com, and super duper quick shipment. Got to me after I ordered it, more like a day or two, but it was super quick. Couldn't believe how fast it got to me. And so, this is you guys get. So we got the box. Love the packaging. Here we got the Grimmspeed electronic boost controller, 3-port boost controller. So sweet, so nice. Smells like cardboard. Here you go. And in the box, got yourself a nice little thank you card from Grimmspeed. Thank you for choosing Grimmspeed. Thank you for being awesome, Grimmspeed. And it's got a nice little signature to let you know that somebody put it in here. Here's the actual controller, the boost controller. By the way, this is going inside of a WRX 2016, not the STI model, CVT, as you can see, automatic. Then you get your Grimmspeed sticker, so I get to stick that somewhere. And then I got plenty of hose, here you go, to clip on to the turbo inlets. Measure twice, cut once. And then you've got some zip ties and some screws. So this is basically gonna replace your 2-port controller that you already have in your factory WRX. Actually, I printed out some information here for you guys. Basically from Grimmspeed, the 2-port factory solenoid is mounted directly onto the plastic turbo inlet interface with an O-ring. The advantage of the 3-point boost control system versus the 2-port system works by interrupting the boost signal traveling from the turbo to the wastegate. The boost is redirected back into the turbo inlet and re-ingested by the turbo using the adapter. Grimmspeed says this is important as the factory mass airflow sensor has already measured that air and is expected that your motor will use it during combustion rather than venting it to the atmosphere. The factory configuration simply bleeds the signal from between the turbo and the wastegate, which creates a system that is a bit less complex. The addition of the Grimmspeed BCS offers a much tighter boost control and consistency, and is going to be easier for your tuner when you let your tuner know that you have the 3-port controller and you have a charge pipe, and if you have one of these. This is on to my next product, Perrin. Yes, you know the name brand. Also, if you're in California, I'm sorry. This is for the 2015 and above WRXs. This is your recirculation blow-off valve. So for me, the automatic guy, I'm not gonna have that psst. That's not gonna happen. It's not what I want anyway. I don't want people hearing me whistling down the road all day long every time I change gears. It's automatic, so this is basically gonna recirculate the air back into the system. So got myself a little plastic tubing here. In between the tubes, got instructions. I love how Perrin always does this. Then you have a rubber hose and your recirc blow-off valve. Here you go, more warnings. Warning, this product exposed to chemicals, including lead and all this other stuff. Don't lick it, eat it, play with it, or give it to your kids. Really, here we go. I'm gonna open this one up. Check this out. So, look at that. Machined. I like the red finish on there. You can see that. All right, and then you've got your soft and hard right there. Now your factory one, after 3 pounds of boost, doesn't really respond that well. So I'm gonna read you some information that I got straight from Perrin. It was determined by Perrin that until approximately PSI, about 3 pounds of PSI boost is reached, the OEM BOV, blow-off valve of course, doesn't seal. This leads to loss in horsepower and slower response from the turbo. The Perrin BOV solves this problem with a proper seal as well as being fully adjustable. This will mean faster response times, of course, and consistent boost and overall better drivability. Another added benefit is now you can run higher boosts with the proper added parts and tune. Of course, that part was added by me, but that is true. So I'm not saying with your factory turbo and factory stuff in there that, you know, you want to go crazy boost. You shouldn't be doing any crazy boost. I run at the highest 19 pounds of boost. Every now and then, because of the tunes I've done, I've peaked at 22 PSI, which is not something I like to play with, which is also why I've got my Grimmspeed 3-port electronic boost controller, and now this BOV Recert, so that now I can control and maintain that boost. I can control the response time, and like I said, be more consistent. I've also got an E-tuner, Clark Turner tuner. He's gonna tune everything to work in sync, and I'm gonna have better response time, and everything should work out smoother. So that was the unboxing. I'm Guzman from Guzman's Random Review. The next video is going to be sponsored by New Provisions Racing, where you're going to see the install of all these parts as soon as the weather gets better. I'm going to take this car into the garage and you're going to see all of that. So stay tuned for the next video with the install of all these parts and then a tune video. I'm Guzman. See you on the next one.